What's up, guys? My name is Brandon and welcome to Style So Dapper. If this is your first time here, you should definitely subscribe and hit the little bell icon because I'm putting out new content every week. Alright, so today I'm doing another Birchbox unboxing. This is your, if you don't know anything about Birchbox, it's $10 a month. And they will send you a curated box of face lotions, beard balms, different toiletry items like that for the man. And this is my second one, and let's open this bad boy up and see what we got in here. I do know that they always send it in a box like this first. The next box, if I can get it open, and there's that one. All right, now let's open it that way. Here we go. This is how it usually comes. Birchbox man. Let's change perspectives and let's do the unboxing. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's open this up and see what we got. Now, I know every month they send you something different, and they send you a cool little card like this. Volume 18, issue 10. And they usually give you some good tips and stuff in here. And here's the list of everything that comes in the box and how much the full size would be if you were to buy it. But, I'll put it here so you guys can freeze frame it or look at it or something like that. So I'm going to go for this one. Let's see what we got. This is a face wash by Ursa Major. That's cool. You always seem to get a face wash. Oh, here's some lip balm. That's pretty cool since we're getting into the winter months. I know my lips get chapped pretty easily. And we got some shaving cream. I'm always willing to try new shaving creams, but not really because I have a full beard, as you guys can see. And we have Facial Fuel by Kohls. I've heard of this brand before. I've seen it like in JCPenney's and stuff like that. So that must be a good brand. And then we have Clean Reserve Sample Cologne. Huh. Anyways, well, that's it, guys. That's the Birchbox. The Birchboxes are pretty simple and pretty small. This is only my second one. I'm hoping I get a beard brush or something like that, or beard balm, but I haven't gotten anything like that. So, hey, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and again, don't forget to subscribe because I'm always putting new videos out. So, hey, guys, till next time, and thanks for watching.